Hello my friends and welcome. Today I would like to show you another cast on. It's ideal for stocking stitch. It prevents for stocking stitch to roll into a tube. It's stretchy, quite pretty and really easy to cast on. That's how looks wrong side of it, and that's the right side of the knitting here. I've done the same cast on for this cowl here. We'll take this short end of strand and we will do the double like that, and here just do the first slip knot. It's the usual way. And put your needle through like that. I'm not casting many stitches, so that will be enough for me. Just tighten up here, first stitch, tighten up, and then we leave the short bit there, and then first stitch we will cast on the usual way, which is just like that here. And the second, now instead of holding your thumb like that, we will put it from the bottom and then pick up from the bottom, pick up 2 strings, hook the single one and pull through the loop here and tighten up. We change our thumb the usual way. We pick 3rd stitch like that, and then a 4th one, again thumb goes underneath, 2 strings there, hook it from the bottom, from the top, single one and through the loop. Again ordinary way like that, and then change the thumb from the bottom. We hook the 2 strings and pull a single one through. So the usual way cast. When we change, put our thumb in here, hook from the bottom over a single yarn and pull through the loop. And just we continue going this way till we have desired amount of stitches on the needle. Now I cast it on 18 stitches, and this first one we did split knot, it will count as 2 stitches as well here. And then you turn your knitting over and we will purl first stitch as well, just in this line. Just purl first stitch and purl the whole row. Now I'm here at the end of the row, and this is that slip knot we made to start with, and I will purl these 2, one and the last one purl as well. And then the second row you just could continue with your pattern. I will do stocking stitch for this sample here. I'm going to take first, slip the first off like that, and knit the stitches, and I will purl the last edge stitch there and purl the last one. And this is how our cast on looks like. This is ideal for stocking stitch. You can use it for other patterns as well. For circular knitting, you cast exactly the same way, only 1 extra stitch, and then just close the knitting as usual together, And then instead of purling the first round, in circular knitting, we knit the first round, or you just continue with your then you just continue with your pattern, or you can do like if straight away first row can be like rib stitch or whichever you're going for.